Hello students, and I hope you're having a good day today and that you're well rested. Welcome to lesson 4 and welcome to our English Communication 1 class. Okay, our theme is still nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can you say it with me? Nice to meet you. Okay, great. Okay, all right. Everyone, please turn to your student book and turn to page 8. Okay, so our student book here, it's written student book, and we turn to page 8. Okay, you have to do number 1 and number 2 for listening. Please do number 1 and number 2 for listening. Okay, you have to listen and you have to answer the questions. Okay, so I will read for you the questions, and you will answer the questions later after you go to the audiobook and you listen to the listening part. Okay, number 1 question is, where's Yuko from? Where's Yuko from? And question 2, where's George from? Where's George from? Good. Question 3, what's the teacher's name? What's the teacher's name? Question 4, where's the teacher from? Where's the teacher from? Okay, good. And then when you finish number 1, you will have to do number 2 as part of your classwork. Listen and choose the expression that you hear, okay? So in each of the numbers, we have 1 to 6. We have 2 options, option A or option B. Please choose only one, okay? Don't do 2. Don't say A, B. Choose one. If you think the answer is A, then select A. But if you think it's B, select B. So you only choose one, okay? Only choose one. All right, listen and answer. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to do the reading. Our reading is on page 8. And the question that they ask here, okay, so we can see it's about Emma Stone, right? And if you watch movies, maybe you know Emma Stone. And then, so before you read, ask yourself, what do I know about Emma Stone? Do you know anything about Emma Stone? And if you do, just think of that answer. What do I know? Do you know where is she from? What movie she acts in? How old is she? Do you know any facts? Anything you know at all. And if you don't know anything about her and you don't know her, that's okay too. All right. Okay, so we have our reading. First time, I'm going to read. Professor will read the reading and you will just listen, okay? First time. And then second time, I am going to read, do the reading, and you will repeat after me, okay? All right, okay, so I'm gonna start now. I have the book here with me, so I'm just reading from the book. Okay. Who is Emma Stone? Emma Stone was born in Scottsdale, Arizona on November 6, 1988. Her real name is Emily Jean Stone. Her grandfather was Swedish. Her family members are from England, Scotland, Ireland, and Germany. Her family name is Stone. She's an actor. She's in movies and TV shows. Her first big movie role was in the movie Superbad. She's also in the Amazing Spider-Man movies. Emma Stone's favorite band is The Beatles. Okay, so now I'm going to read again and I will repeat. I will either do this with my hand to show that you must repeat, or I will keep silent and then you know it's your turn to repeat. Okay, good. All right. Who is Emma Stone? Who is Emma Stone? Emma Stone was born in Scottsdale, Arizona on November 6, 1988. Her real name is Emily Jean Stone. Her grandfather was Swedish. Her family members are from England, Scotland, Ireland, and Germany. Her family name is Stone. She's an actor. She's in movies and TV shows. Her first big movie role was in the movie Superbad. She's also in the Amazing Spider-Man movies. Emma Stone's favorite band is the Beatles. Okay, good. Okay, and then when you're finished reading and playing the class video and listening and repeating, please do the questions, okay? Questions are on 2, okay? So we have 1 to 4. I'm just going to quickly read the questions for you and correct the sentences, okay? Some of these sentences are wrong, okay? The sentences are wrong. You have to write the right sentence, but to find the right sentence, you have to look at the reading, okay? You have to look at the reading here and find the right answer, okay? All right. So, for example, let me give you an example of a sentence that's not true. Professor Tula, that's me. Professor Tula is Korean. Ding! You know that's not true, so you go to the reading. Professor Tula is South African. Then you write the right answer, okay? So it's the same thing here in this reading, okay? Okay, what do you know about Emma Stone? Correct the text. Number 1, it says she was born in Germany. Okay, find the right answer. Number 2, she was born in December 1989. Find the right answer. Number 3, her father is Swedish. Find the right answer. Number 4, she doesn't have a favorite band. Find the right answer. Okay, right, awesome. Okay, so when you are done with your classwork, that's it. When you are done with your classwork, you have to go to your workbook. Okay, so we all gonna go to our workbook. This one, the one that says workbook, and we are going to turn to page 3 in our workbook. Okay, so you go to page 3. Okay, page 3, and you do number 5. Complete the conversation, and you are going to be using the words from presence of the pronouns, okay? So you will complete number 5, okay? So to make it easy for you, please listen carefully. I will take a pen and write it down if you don't know. But if you think you know the answer, then it's fine. But if you don't know, for number 5, write it down. It's not in the right order. You have to find the right order for you and put it in the conversation. Okay, first one. They are. Write it down. They are. Good. Next one. I'm not. Write it down. I'm not. Write it down. And next one. Are. Big A-R-E. Are. And the last one, same. Are. A-R-E. So you have 4 answers. They are, I'm not, are, and are. And then you have to decide. You have to decide what goes in here, okay? The answers that I gave you. Okay, good job. Okay, and then after you finish that, you have to do number 6 in your workbook, page 3, which is matching, okay? Match the sentences. Match the sentences to the letter, okay? And we have how many sentences? 4 sentences. Okay, we'll do number 1 as an example. Number 1 answer is already there, so let's do it. Okay, number 1 says, I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. And the answer is C. My husband is from Seoul. So they're talking about the same thing. They're talking about places. Where are you from? So C is talking about where you're from, and 1 is talking about where you're from. Ding, connect. Okay, so number 1 is C. Okay, and then number 2, Emma is a doctor. Number 3, William and Mary are from the US. Number 4, Carlos is a student. Please match with the correct letters. Okay, right. That's gonna take you some time, as you'll be doing it at home for homework. Okay, all right. And then number 7, you have to write the words in the correct order. Okay, write the words in the correct order. 7, number 1 says, a student you are, and then the correct answer is, the correct order, are you a student? So you're gonna give number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then this one here, don't do it. Okay, it's fine, don't do it yet. Don't do the box, not today. Okay, then we go to the next page, which is page 4, listening. Okay, we're gonna go to the next page, which is this page, listening, in your workbook. Okay, and you are going to do number 1 and number 2. Going to do number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Number 1, you listen to the conversation and you choose the true sentences. Okay, so not all the sentences are true, but how do you know? You have to do the listening first. Okay, right, so that's number 1. Sentences. Number 1 is, Georgia is from Canada. Number 2, Montreal is Rosario's favorite city. Number 3, Georgia is a student. Number 4, William is Georgia's father. Number 5, William isn't an artist. Number 6, Georgia and William are 23. So only select the true answers. Okay, so you will go online and you have to download the Smart Choice Practice, so you will be able to play the audio and hear. Okay, and then number 2, you listen, same reading, listen again, and then fill in the answers about Georgia and Rosario. City, country, city, job, and age. Okay, all right. Next, we are going to go to pronunciation. On the same page in your workbook, page 4 at the bottom, pronunciation. Okay? All right. You have to listen to the words, okay? Listen to the words from the conversation and circle the stressed syllable, okay? So if I say something, which one is more stressed? Which one do I stress in my sound? And you circle that one in your book, okay? For example, let's do my name. Professor's name is Tula, okay? Tula. Which one is stressed? Is it the tu or the la? One more time. Listen. Tula. Okay, so the stressed syllable is tu. T-H-U. So you circle that and not la. So you listen and then you circle the stressed syllable. Okay. All right. But you have to play the conversation and listen, or you can listen to me. Okay. All right. Let's do number 1. Number 1. I will give you the answer for number 1, but you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and circle the stressed syllable. Okay. Number 1, Georgia. Georgia. Which one is stressed? Jaw, right? Geor. G-E-O-R. Circle that. That's the one that's stressed for number 1. Okay, number 2. Rosario. Rosario. Circle the stressed one. Number 3. Mexico. Mexico. Circle the stressed one. 4. Montreal. Montreal. Okay. 5. City. City. 6. Artist. Artist. 7. Teacher. Teacher. 8. Brother. Brother. 9. William. William. And 10. Photographer. Photographer. Okay, so you go to the listening, to the pronunciation, and you listen in your audiobook and you circle the stressed syllable. Okay, good job. All right. All right, good job, everyone. You've made it to the end of lesson 4, and I'm going to be sending you your homework on the assignment board. So check the assignment board and have a nice day and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.